Hi everyone, this is Deepika Taneja and I welcome you all on my page Mystic Light Path by Deepika Taneja. And today I'm here with a weekly message for you all, which is from 9th of November till 15th of November. These are the angelic message, just a small message for all the zodiacs, starting with the Aries sign. Let's see what angels have to say. So Aries, big happy changes are coming in your life. So enjoy your life and be open for all the opportunities. Also listen to your intuition. Universe is there guiding you with the help of your intuition. The next message is for the Taurus zodiac. Taurus, the angel says, whatever things you have been working on, whatever decisions you have been taking, now it is time to reconsider and re-evaluate those decisions. Also, there is a possibility that you are facing certain karmic issues और एक ही तरीके का हो सकता है आपकी लाइफ में कोई पैटर्न चल रहा हो जो बार बार आपको कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है जिस वजह से. सो प्लीज़ वर्क ऑन दोज पैटर्न्स एंड ऑल्सो रिलीज द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस जिन्होंने आपको बहुत परेशान किया है. नेक्स्ट मैसेज इज फॉर द जेमिनाई साइन. So Gemini people, angel says it's time to wait for some time. Maybe this week आप थोड़ा सा wait कीजिए और उसके बाद जो भी आप important decisions ले रहे हैं, then go ahead. Whatever you are planning, also you should take care of your spiritual journey also, because there is a possibility, there you need to learn some new skills or new experiences you need to gain. So please, if it is a possibility, enhance your skills and work more on enhancing skills. Next reading is for the Cancerian sign. Cancerian, I understand that there have been certain issues जिस वजह से आपने अपने decisions ही hold पे डाल दिए हैं, आप आगे move नहीं कर रहे हो. So angels are saying do not stop. Just you have to change the way. आप पहले सीधे जा रहे थे, थोड़ा right left लेके देखो. Basically you have to choose the direction or you have to change the direction. That is it. Otherwise your things are on track. You were thinking right. Don't stop yourself because of pity issues. Next reading is for the Leo zodiac. So Leo, this is the perfect timing. Start and go ahead, whatever you have plans. Lot of opportunity and abundance is coming in your life. So you really need not to worry. Please go ahead. Next reading is for the Virgo. Virgo, don't blame for your decisions. At times I see that you keep on blaming others कि तुम्हारी वजह से ऐसा हुआ या you were responsible. No, it is completely up to you. You have chosen this, things which are happening. It is completely up to you the way you want to proceed. Also, do not take any validation from others. What you want to do, what you plan to do, just take your own decisions. And I'm seeing that there is a very good romantic relationship by end of this week. Next reading is for the Libra zodiac. Libra, please know I am saying because there are certain things which you were planning and reconsidering in terms of relationship, but it is time to hold. Exactly, I would not say to go ahead with whatever you were planning. Focus on earth energies, try to ground yourself as much as you can, and also work on your root chakra. Next reading is for the Scorpio. Scorpio, for you the message is that heart chakra needs to be healed. You should be open for receiving and also for giving. ठीक है. So दोनों एंड से आपको अपने आप को ओपन करने की ज़रूरत है. And also the situation that you are stuck in, the situation will surely improve. You will come out of the situation, but you have to open yourself. Now the next reading is for the Sagittarius sign. Sagittarius people, you have been waiting for long in this particular issue or particular relation, I would say, or the opportunity. तो आपके बहुत सारे स्ट्रिंग्स अटैच हो गए हैं. कहीं ना कहीं आपके एंड से बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा हो रहा है कि अब एनर्जीज ड्रेन हो रही हैं आपकी. So it is time to cut your cords, clear your aura and enhance your energies, because अगर आपने अपने cords cut नहीं करे, कहीं ना कहीं these energies will turn into fear and you will feel, you may see a lot of destructive patterns also. So please free yourself from such energies. cord cutting is really important. Next reading is for the Capricorn sign. Capricorn, if it is about a relationship, because most of the cards are related to relationship, if you're facing any problem in relationship, seek help from others. There are people who can be, of some help to you in healing your relationship, or in, taking this relationship to a next level. So just ask help from others. Next reading is for the Aquarius sign. So Aquarius, जो भी आप plan कर रहे हो अभी तो it is unlikely to happen, but in near future I'm seeing there is a strong possibility. Support from angels are there, so please pray to Archangel Gabriel to help you with all the issues that you have been facing, and you will see your things will go away. Next message is for the Pisces. Pisces, just take care of your health. Also, the messages that you have been getting from the universe, you're trying to ignore those messages. आप कहीं ना कहीं लोगों की advice या चीज़ों को follow नहीं कर रहे हो. So please listen to the advice and take care of your health. Overall, I'm seeing it's a good week. A lot of happiness and abundance is there, but health needs to be taken care. So guys, thank you so much. These were the small messages for this week. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. Also, please share your feedbacks in case you wish to share any, you want me to share any remedies, rituals, tips. Thank you.